Hello everybody, here's my mama and she's going to be making this Velveeta cheese dip for y'all today. And it's really super easy, super simple, and it just takes a few minutes. It might take 10 minutes to have this completely done. And it's good for any party or anything you have or celebration. It's just a good little cheese dip to have in the middle of the table for everybody to snack on.
Yeah, it's real good with, what is them chips we get?
Tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips. But I didn't have none, so we're going to do Ritz crackers.
Yeah.
It'll probably taste good with that too. But all you do is you take your Velveeta, and it's according how big your party's going to be. You take your Velveeta out, and you can get the big box or the small box, whatever. You know. So we'll open this up and get this out. Usually it's real simple to open. Let's see here. There it goes. And then we'll just do this. We just chunk it up and put it in there so it'll melt. Yeah, just chop it up.
Yeah, you gotta chop it into chunks. If you don't put it in chunks, it won't all melt.
Yeah.
It'll still be like a big block in the middle.
Yeah. So try to cut it in little chunks. Like that.
And this is all the stuff you'll need. You just need a bowl that's a microwave safe bowl. And you'll need this Rotel or any other brand that you could find. It's diced tomatoes and green chilies. If you don't like spicy stuff, then you could just get this with just diced tomatoes.
Yeah.
But if you get this one with the green chilies, it makes it a little bit spicy.
But you can get that in mild or hot. Whatever you want. You know. So. Yeah, cut it in little chunks so it'll melt. Yeah, I should have cut that in a little thicker, but I didn't. It is really good. My daughter started making this for us. Corey's mom, Christine.
She showed it to us one day, and we've been making it ever since.
Yeah. She says, see how easy and simple, and it's so good. And it is good. But now they make the hot sometime. I don't do hot. I don't do real spicy. Maybe a little spicy, but not a lot of spices. Now Corey and Milton likes it, but I think Milton's even gets so he's burnt out on spicy. But now my girls that lives in North Carolina, or no, they live in South Carolina now. Now they like spicy. And my daughter is supposed to be here tomorrow, Valerie, and she's going to show us how to do the Spanish rice. I guess that's what you call it. It's Mexican is what I call it. So I guess it is Spanish, you know, but it is good. She taught me how to make it, and I'm going to have to call her and tell her that I forgot to pick up because I like that with it. I got the cheese, the Gordon's cheese, but to go with it. But what is that? Them green fruits I get?
Avocados.
Avocados. I never can think of that. Now I like that dip that she has with that, and I like the Gordon cheese that goes over the rice.
Yeah, it's called Gordo's goat cheese.
Yeah, it is real good on the rice. It's fried rice.
And you heat it up in the microwave just like you would do to this dip.
Yeah.
This is basically the same thing except for this is Velveeta cheese.
And you don't put that in that either.
Yeah, but it has some chilies in there too. You can find it that's spicy, or you can find the cheese that's not spicy. Same thing as this. This is basically the same thing except for this is Velveeta cheese and this is going to have spicy chilies in it.
Yeah. But
and the other one is a goat cheese.
I love it. I love that cheese. And some things you can't find here. Oh, what is that? She's supposed to bring me some. When I get out of it, they send it to me. It's the red stuff that you put in the rice. Oh, I can't even think.
I think it's called Goya. It's Goyo, I think, or Goya.
Something like that, yeah.
Goya or something like that.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's a red powder, and you sprinkle it onto chicken or rice or any type of meat. It's just good for everything.
Yeah, it is.
You could put it on shrimp.
Yeah, we've done our chicken in it before, and it's really good. I think we even done steak in it before, didn't we?
Yeah, y'all might have seen it on one of the
Okay.
videos before.
Yeah, but yeah, it's good. And now all you do, so simple. You just put this in here. See my pretty little jar, my little things. Y'all were so good to me.
Somebody sent this just the other day. Y'all seen it in one of the other videos we showed it.
And so you just stir this up. You know, I didn't have none of this stuff before. None of it. And y'all just blessed me so with it. You know, when Corey started out, I had one skillet. And it was an old one. And I didn't have none of these dishes and things. But y'all just blessed me so.
Y'all do so much for us.
Yeah, you do. And we really appreciate it too. More than you'll ever know. But that's all you do. You just put that in there like that. And when it melts and stir it all up, and you take your chips and dip it in there, or your crackers, whatever you want to dip in it, it is marvelous.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in the microwave now.
Yeah, and then she's going to read a Bible verse. Y'all see what it looks like afterwards.
Yeah.
I'll clear this off for her. She's got a couple scriptures to read to y'all real quick while it's heating up in the microwave.
While it's melting. Yeah, he's uploading these to take with him, so y'all can have one of us doing something. I'm going to be in Proverbs, the 19th chapter, and I'm going to do 9 verses. It says, "Better is the poor that walketh in his integrity than he that is perverse in his lips, and is a fool. Also that the soul be without knowledge, it is not good. And he that hasteth with his feet sinneth. The foolishness of man preventeth his way, and his heart fretteth against the Lord. Wealth maketh many friends, but the poor is separated from his neighbor. A false witness shall not be unpunished, and he that speaketh lies shall not escape. Many will entreat the favor of the prince, and every man is a friend to him that giveth gifts. All the brethren of the poor do hate him. How much more do his friends go far from him? He pursueth them with words, yet they are wanting to him. He that getteth wisdom loveth his own soul. He that keepeth understanding shall find good. A false witness shall not be unpunished, and he that speaketh lies shall perish." And then in the commentary it says, "Honesty is far more valuable than wealth, but most people don't act as if they believe this. Afraid of not getting everything they want, they will pay any price to increase their wealth. Cheating on their taxes, stealing from stores or employers, withholding tithes, refusing to give. But when we know and love God, we realize that a lower standard of living or even poverty is a small price to pay for personal integrity. Do your actions show that you sacrifice your integrity to increase your wealth? What changes do you need to make in order to get your priorities straight?" Yeah, we all need to get our priorities in order, and God is first. And that's what we're supposed to put, God first. It says, "We often move hastily through life, rushing headlong into the unknown. Many people marry without really knowing what to expect of their partner or of married life. Others try enticing sex or drugs without considering the consequences." There's always consequences to sin and things that you do that's not of God. It says, "Some plunge into jobs without evaluating whether they are suitable to that line of work. Enthusiasm is useless without knowledge. Don't rush into the unknown. Be sure you understand what you're getting into and where you're going before you take the first step. No one knows everything the future holds, but take time to ask the right questions. And in whatever you do, be sure to follow God." Be sure you're following God. God will bless you in whatever you go to do. Listen to God. If you feel like if you go to get a job and you don't feel comfortable in that job, that's God nudging you and telling you he's a better one coming, to wait upon it. So God will always show you the way, and you'll know, you'll have a feeling whether it's right or wrong, you know, and trust your feelings, your inner feelings, because God's going to be testing you or, you know, talking to you, trying to guide you where to go, you know. So listen to God. He'll show you. You know, he'll tell you what's right or wrong. You'll feel it. You'll know. God is love, and he won't let you down. So I think Corey's going to show some more cards.
Yeah. We showed half the cards that we got this week in the last video, and here's the other half of the cards that we got this week. We got some thank you cards. It says friendly hello, and this one was a wedding card for me, because since I'm going to be getting married. And it says, two amazing people, totally in love, perfect for each other. That would be you. So that's really nice. Thank you so much for that. And it really means a lot to us. And this card, we had a package and we showed it in one of the last videos, but we forgot to show this card. We accidentally left it in there on the table. So we brought it in to show it on this video, since we forgot to show it on the last video.
Yeah, we was admiring the card so, and we really think it's a beautiful card, and we thank you for what you put in it. It means a lot to us. Yeah. I mean, you was so generous, and we sure thank you. You know, from the bottom of our hearts. God bless you. You know, but you know, we just thank you. You're so good to us. Yeah,
y'all are so generous, and it really does help us out so much. Everything that y'all do for us.
Yes, you really don't know how much it helps, but it does a lot.
Yeah, and we really do appreciate it, everything. And here's this. If there's any new viewers or new subscribers, and I'm going to be gone for a month, so if y'all want to send Mama a letter or a package or a card or anything y'all want to send to her, she'll be here and she'll still receive it, and she'll send y'all cards and letters and stuff back. So this is for anything that y'all want to send Mama while I'm gone. And she'll send you a card or a package or something back to you if you put your address. But make sure to put your address on the inside of the card.
Yes, because the post office most of the time marks over, and I can't read them and I can't send them back to you. I can't send you a thank you card because, you know, I feel guilty if I don't send you a thank you card. I mean, you went to all that trouble to send us something, send us a card, a letter, something, and then I can't respond back. It makes me feel guilty. You know, you think I don't care about you or something, but I do care about everything. Y'all tell me, everything you write in your letters, everything you send me. I thank you, and I do care about y'all. I thank you very much.
Or any prayer request, y'all could put it in the card, and if y'all have a prayer request, you'll put it in her book, her prayer book.
Yeah.
And we'll pray for it.
Yeah,
each and every one of y'all. And here's y'all could pause it or picture it or write it down or whatever y'all want to do if y'all want to send her something while I'm gone. And we'll build it up and we'll show it in the video like this, like we normally do, because whenever I get back, we'll be showing all the gifts in the videos then. And the PayPal at the bottom is just in case there's any new viewers or new subscribers or anybody who hasn't seen it yet. That's for y'all. And y'all can just take a picture of it or write it down or whatever y'all want to do. But thank y'all so much again and again for everything y'all do for us. We do love y'all, and God bless y'all.
Yes, we do. And here's our end product.
Here's what it'll look like afterwards.
See here? It's a cheesy dip. And it is good. I'm going to try it with the Ritz crackers, but it's better with the chips.
No, it's just a creamy, cheesy salsa dip. And it is super good with anything, really. Like, even if you had like a burrito or a taco, it would be really good on that, too.
It's good on this Ritz cracker, too. You'll have to try it.
Yeah, you could try it with crackers, or you could try it with chips.
But now, to me, that's a little spicy. I'm not a spicy person.
Yeah, because it's got these chilies in it.
Yeah, it's good, but spicy.
And here's what it'll look like afterwards.
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah, it's just a perfect dip for a party.
But now you can get mild in these.
Yeah, or you can even get it with no chilies at all.
Yeah, you can just get the diced tomatoes and put in them. That's our easy peasy dip recipe for you.
That's all for today. We love y'all.
Yes, we
God
do.
bless y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Amen.